How to delete all your Facebook photos at once. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. It may be an iPhone or Android. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the profile menu icon. Click on your profile name to go to your profile page. On your profile page, tap the three dots next to your edit profile. From the menu that appears, select Activity Log. In the Activity Log, find and tap on your Facebook activity. In this, scroll down to the Posts section and click on the Manage Posts. This section includes all types of posts, photos, videos, and other activities. Tap on Filter and select Category. Choose your posts, photos, and videos to display only these types of posts at the top of the list. You will see an option to All. Tap it to select all your photos and videos. After selecting, you will have the option to either archive or recycle bin the items. Tap Recycle Bin. In the pop-up menu, click on Move to Trash to delete all selected photos and videos. And that's it.